Hello everyone. In this session today, I will further explain the join operations, how we do it. Last video, I shared only the inner join, and today I will share left, right, and everything. Okay, so mm, keep it here, and if you have any doubt, please ask, so that I also understand which type of doubt you have, and according that I will work also on my skill. So just wait a minute. Okay, so we are on the left joint. So I already explained what is the left join means. Left join is like left table, all data is coming as well as which data is matching to the right table is also coming. Matched row only coming, not all right row will come. So left data or matched right data will come in the lecture. So this is the important thing. Okay, so I previously explained you the. I'm sharing my screen. Just wait. Hope it is visible, all of you. Okay, so this is the inner join. Means common part is coming from both table, like employee and department. For example, I am just applying the left join. So in the left join, so as I already told you, like inner join is a default condition. If you will give not give inner, it will automatically fetch in default as an inner join. It's your choice. You want to mention your inner or not. Okay, but by default, the query will fetch inner join. Okay, so for example, select say that I'm applying name and location dot d dot department from employees e join department d. You can see what is the output is coming. Join department same as previously. So I already explained why we are using e after the employees, because it is alias we are giving. If you are not using alias, so it will be complexity that every time you have to mention the name of the table like employees then department. It's very complex. So even that you can use only the alias of a particular table name. Okay, so name and location. Why I didn't use the alias, and why I used the department with alias. So I also explained this thing. This particular and very uniquely defined in particular automatically. That time server unique or only defined in particular table. If same present in different table, like department is present in employees table or also in the department table, so in that case server will not able to understand in which table you are fetching the department. So for that we have to mention d dot, like d means department, so we are fetching the data from the department. If you mention, so it will fetch data from the employee department. So that is the main thing that you have to understand. So don't be confused. So here I'm fetching. So this is a simple inner join it is given to us. how much data? 11 data coming here. Inner join means which is the common in both the table that is giving to us. If I use here left, just mention left, or after that when I, so all left table like employee table come and also right table. Okay, so this is the main part, and after that it is the right join. Okay, only that is giving the fundamental part, and how you can run, how can you use, and after that further you when you do practice, then your doubt will definitely step by step you will clear by yourself only. And every time watching the video without practice, so it will not help to everyone. We have to at least practice. Without practice we cannot help to us a lot. Okay, so this is all about the right. So right join means right table, old data coming here. Okay. No match in the left table, so the result for the column for table will be null. Okay. If no match, so in that case will be null. So if there is no match in the left, the column for the left table will be null. Okay. So right join we also saying it as a right outer join. Okay. So keywords are equal optional. Okay, optional. So same query that I'm using in LoveJoin, I'm using every time you write by your hand. Do not copy paste if you are at the beginner, because writing every time we are also conceptually revising that thing instead of copy paste. If you will copy paste, you will not understand the structures and text, and every time you do the mistakes. So at the beginning, how much practice you can do every time. After when you advance level and other, automatically revise the concepts. So location, sorry, I'm not using department right now. So just be prepared for that. Employees E, join department D on E dot department equal to D dot department. Okay. So this is the simple inner join and simple default join that I'm fetching. If I mention here right join, so right data all will come or and will the data will not match with the left table coming as a null. Okay, so this is the thing. You can see right table data is coming. Okay, which is not matching with the left table, it is giving the null. Okay, so hope you are getting the point. If you mention here for example where mm, uh, manager id is null, which is manager id present in the employee, so we are mentioning e dot. So for example, so you can see both where is also a very interesting part. Hope you got the point. How after this, I'm just explaining how series that like which topic you have to read, after that which topic you have to cover. After the entire series with the PL SQL, I also explain all the concept beginning step, and after that I will go on the practice session. So next is a full join. Full join is your all rows coming from the matched in either the left table or right table. Okay. So if row in the left table has no matched in the right table, the result set includes the left row data as null. Null values for all column of the right table. If a row in the right table same no matching, so it is also coming as a null. Okay. So full join we are also saying as a full outer join. Outer is an optional keyword. Okay. So same query I'm applying the full join. So you're mentioning here full join. So I'm paste here. Okay. You do not copy paste. You practice Only then you understand the concept, otherwise your basic will not be clear. You can see this is the right join. If I mention here full join, so all data come, and which row and which column it's not matching, so it will come as a null. Okay, you can see same data is coming. So as like you can prepare for that. Same concept for next concept is a self join is a very focusedly work on the self join, and it because interviewer mostly in my case also many interviewer asked me about what is the self join, how will perform and everything. So they take the idea from your side. They will not allow to you just to use any server and after that you run your query. No, you have to without running query your idea to them. So you have to as much as you can so that you can tell no, there is no error in particular. I'm giving very, very ideas to get the interviewer if for the interview time. An interviewer asks to you that give the any self join, so you have to just mention select name, location from employees. So this time I will not use department table because this is the self join. Self means comparison with me only, so employee comparison only employees. So that is the important point for it. On e dot department equal to e dot department, so you can see how much data you are commonly not ended. What is the things, sorry, d dot alias you have to use different, but table will be same. Okay. What data? Present place. It is working. It's not. Okay, sorry. Self, because it is fetching the, so I'm using e dot or location from d dot. So now I will say because both table are common. So d dot is invalid. Why it is invalid? D dot you can use. I think in my server there is some problem with the self join, so it is old. So this syntax is correct. You can use at your site, and it is definitely correct. So hope I'm giving on. I'm going on the next topic. Next topic is union. So I think union. Okay, so union means there is a two type of thing that union we are understanding the power of the union. So firstly, you understand what is the union. Union operator. Union is firstly union is an operator is used to combine the result set of two and more select statement. The union operator automatically remove duplicate rows. Always remember. Okay, removes union operator removes duplicates data automatically automatically from table during the fetching data. Okay, so requirement. What is the requirement of the union? Every selected statement within union must have the same number of column. Like within union, before union we are using select statement, or after the union we are using the select statement. Both fetching the name, a number of the column, or name of the column should be matched. Second, the data type also similar. Okay, third is the column in every select statement must also be in the same order, not in different. Like in the first select statement, we are using the second statement, we are using the email ID and name. It is the same order. So that is the minimum important point. So how many columns in select is always must same. Select must same. Second, union before union, before union and after union. Select, fetch, same, not different. Okay, or order must be same. Okay, these things that we remember in the point. For example, select name, or select name and city from employees. This is the city and name, and I'm fetching same number. So there is the same city, the same order. Union fetching only removing the duplicate rows from the table. So name, if I will mention in first query city names, not second select a statement, so only that it's correct. So if you are stuck in, so I'm also showing the example if you are have any doubt regarding it. For example, before the name I select here city. Sorry, just paste it, and before the name I select city and name. So definitely it give error because it is okay. So name or order should be same. It will not give error, but at least it is a confusing point if we are not in the proper order. So next is union. A union is completed. That is union all. Union all is fetching all the it is not removing the duplicate, it will give the data. So union all operator, difference between union all or union all fetching the data with the duplicates, but union remove the duplicate from the table. Select statement within union all must have the same order, similar data, or select a statement follow the same order. So for same condition that I'm using here, you can see union all. So select city from employees. Union all means it will give the duplicate data to us. City from employees. So now I'm running this. So it will give the duplicate data also. So this is the clear. So for this today lecture, I will show only these concept. I will give some clauses, important factors, and explaining that. So thank you.